Hi everyone, welcome to Css Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS multiple backgrounds. Let's proceed. So we have CSS multiple backgrounds. CSS allows you to add multiple background images for an element through the background image property. The different background images are separated by commas and the images are stacked on top of each other, where the first image is closest to the viewer. The following example has two background images. We have the first, which is a flower aligned to the right bottom, and the second image is paper-like background aligned to the top right corner. So let's create an example around this one. So this is an example. So we have multiple background images can be specified using either the individual background property as above or with the background return property. So let's create our example. So we are coming to the body H1. We are saying, okay, multiple backgrounds. We'll be using a different one this time around. Then after that, we'll have a p tag. And inside this p tag, we'll say the following div elements as two multiple background images. Then in this aspect, we'll create one div, the ID equals to example 1. Then inside this div, we would say H1. Let's use lorem ipsum. Then we can have a p tag. We'll say lorem ipsum. Okay. So after that, we will also have another p tag. Inside this p tag, we can say yes, then shift here. Then that is all. That is all for this. Now let's come to our CSS. Then we'll say hashtag example. Say example 1. Then inside example 1, we're saying background image should be URL. Inside this URL, we want okay, let's use orange.jpg. Then inside that, after that, we want to make use of two this thing. We'll say URL, then we can say step.jpg. Then after that, we can as well have background position, which will be right bottom for 1. And the next one we want to have is left. Oh, this is not complete. Then the next one we want to have is background repeat, no repeat. Then we also want one of them should repeat. Then the next one we're having is background. Then the next one we're having is padding, which will be 15 pixel. Now let's check it out. So can you see? So can you see how we have multiple backgrounds? This is for the image, and this is the second one for the second image. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Css Academy. See you next time. Bye.